first thing we need to do is look at is profile optimization. So if we look at the profile optimization, so your profile optimization, obviously you need to think about attracting your audience. So if you want to start thinking about who is your target audience and what's your purpose, who do you want to reach out to and who do you want to help? So obviously the first thing with your profile audience, your optimization, sorry, is going to be your headline, your images, the basic features. Okay, so your basic features are obviously your profile picture, your cover photo, and your headline. So the most important thing here is obviously to get a nice profile picture. Mine's seems to be a little bit tongue in cheek, but I get a lot of people say how quirky it is. Your cover photo is obviously going to be who you are and what you do. How do you help people? And your headline. Your headline's really important. It needs to be clear and concise. Okay. Obviously, there's thousands and thousands of people on LinkedIn. So you need people to, when they see who you are, they know straight away, what do you do? How can you help them? So with your profile, make sure it's optimized and make sure that you can see you're grabbing someone's attention and how do you position yourself? So example, my one is obviously a no nonsense, experienced growth market. I drive business and help people basically make money online.
Would you say that with LinkedIn, then does it have an internal search function where when you're searching on LinkedIn, it helps with that as well?
Yeah. So yeah, people will go into that next. People, when you're searching for people, if you're looking for
Yeah.
heads, departments, etc., that's what's being picked up. So by LinkedIn. So obviously with me, I get a lot of people come looking for me because I'm CEO. Yeah, basically. Okay, and then you got your advanced features. So there you can start talking about a little bit more about who you are, what you do, and how you do it. And there's also a featured section. So in the featured section, you want to put your best performing posts in there, maybe your newsletter, recommendations, anything that's going to set you apart from the rest of the crowd, if you like. Recommendations are really good. I find that if ever I want to talk to somebody or somebody wants to engage with me, I'll look at their recommendations. I'll look at their featured section. We've obviously got a newsletter in our featured section, and I find that helps grow the newsletter, which we use on a sort of bi-weekly basis to contact people. So make sure your featured section's up to date. Make sure your best performing posts are on there. Any nuggets you've got in there to help people discover who you are and what you do. Try and keep it really simple. Try and make it obvious as to what you do and how you can help people. There's billions of people, as I said, on LinkedIn, and it's very difficult you want to make sure that you're attracting people when they first look at you. So I often see profiles and I don't really understand who they are or what they're trying to do. To keep it simple, we need to make sure that people understand who we are and what we're doing. How can we help them? Obviously, LinkedIn is B2B. It's a business platform. So we're here to make money.